In this video, I'll be showing you how to download YouTube video in laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this. You can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or obviously a laptop PC as well, which is obviously the main purpose of this video. So what you want to do is go over to your YouTube website like so, and it's going to look something like this, where you're going to see all your different videos and everything like that. So if I want to go ahead and download one, what I could do is I could click on something like this. And let's say I want to go ahead and watch it, but I want to watch it later on. What I'm going to do is go over to the right, press these three little dots, and I'm going to see this download button right here. And I've unfortunately, done too many downloads. But if I went on my phone, I'd be able to do it. But that's because I just have way too many downloads on my current account. So what you guys have to do if it doesn't work for you is you're going to actually have to use YouTube Premium, because you're only going to be able to download other people's YouTube videos if you have YouTube Premium. However, maybe you want to download one of your own, maybe something that you uploaded previously. What you're going to do is click your profile icon on the top right and go to YouTube Studio. Then go to content on the left, and you're going to see any of your videos. So all I want to do is press these three little dots. I'm going to see this download button right here. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to be downloading. And as you can see, it's done. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.